Why do woodpeckers peck? You probably think pecking wood is about feeding, but it's more complicated. 1. Woodpeckers have long tongues. Woodpeckers peck at the bark to get food. They forage for insects and larvae on trees. Once they create an opening, they use their tongue. A woodpecker's tongue is very long and flexible. The bird inserts it into the hole to get at the prey. 2. Woodpeckers also use drumming to communicate. Unlike many other birds, they have a limited range of vocalizations. They don't sing or tweet. They only chirp and whistle, but the drumming sound of pecking is very loud. It allows the birds to communicate over long distances. It also scares away possible predators and rivals. The drumming is described as a territorial call. 3. Each woodpecker species has a unique tapping pattern. It varies by the number of beats in the roll. It varies by the length and cadence of the roll. Woodpeckers choose a surface that resonates, such as a hollow tree. It also plays a part in their courtship rituals. 4. Woodpeckers also use their strong beaks to make nests. They excavate cavities in tree trunks and nest inside. It's easy to tell if a woodpecker is foraging or carving out a hollow. If it's making many small holes, that means it is feeding. But if it spends time deepening a larger hole, it's preparing to nest. 5. Woodpeckers don't get concussions. They've evolved a strong neck and beak. This enables them to peck the wood continuously without harming themselves. A woodpecker is capable of making 10,000 pecks a day. Their strong necks have natural shock absorbance. These help woodpeckers dissipate the vibration to avoid concussions. Woodpeckers have uneven beak lengths. These drastically reduce strains when compared to equal length. 6. Woodpeckers maintain a unique posture. Their feet have 2 toes in the front and 2 in the back. Other birds have 3 in the front and 1 in the back. This allows woodpeckers to remain vertical while clinging to the tree. This further reduces the impact to the body as a whole. 7. Woodpeckers don't only peck trees. Any wooden structure will do. These birds excavate holes in buildings or utility poles. Woodpeckers will also drum on gutters, chimneys, or vents. Drumming is not as destructive as pecking. It's less forceful and not meant to create holes, only to mark territory. 8. Woodpeckers are beneficial to humans. They control pests, such as wood-boring beetles and ants. 9. Woodpeckers have inspired human engineers. One example is the aircraft flight recorder. The black box needs to survive intact after a crash. It's modeled with regard to a woodpecker's anatomy. The woodpecker has spongy skull bones that protect its brain. This same design has been used to make protective helmets. 10. Woodpeckers aren't the only birds that peck wood. Some nuthatches and chickadees also do it when foraging. But only woodpeckers make the iconic nesting hollows. When there are no trees available, some species make holes in cacti